So today I finally replaced my old single DIN radio with a touchscreen radio that comes with CarPlay and Android Auto. So let's take a quick look at what you get inside the box. First, of course, you get the radio itself. You also get a user manual and then a few cables and adapters just in case you need to adapt the wiring in your car. Now, in my case, everything was completely plug and play, which honestly made the installation super easy. I didn't have to cut any wires. I didn't have to modify anything. I just removed the old radio, plugged the new one in, and that was basically it. And to be honest with you, I'm not a big tech guy. I didn't buy this because I wanted some super advanced system or anything like that. What I really wanted was simply Android Auto, so I can use Waze for navigation, listen to Spotify, and also make phone calls easily while driving. And for that kind of use, this radio is honestly perfect. First of all, visually, I'm really happy with how it looks. The dashboard looks way more modern now compared to the old radio I had before. But more importantly, when you actually start using it, everything works really well. The system feels smooth, the menus are easy to navigate, and the touchscreen is actually very responsive, which I honestly didn't expect at this price. Now, when it comes to the features, you actually have quite a few options. So first, of course, you still have the normal radio function. You can scan for stations, choose your frequency, and save your favorite ones. Then you have Bluetooth and also Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, depending on the phone you are using. So with that, you can listen to Spotify or YouTube music, use Waze or Google Maps, make calls, and even send or listen to WhatsApp messages. And on top of that, you can also play music or even videos from a USB drive or from an SD card if you want. So overall, honestly, I can only recommend it. It's plug and play, it's a single DIN unit, so it replaces your old radio directly. It makes the dashboard look so much more modern, and you get Android Auto or Apple CarPlay depending on your phone. And honestly, the best part about it, it's the price. I only paid $35 on AliExpress. Now, to be fair, it was a Chinese New Year deal, but even now you can still find it under $50, which is still really cheap for something like this. And if you don't like buying on AliExpress, you can also find very similar models on Amazon. I will put all the links in the description and also in the first comment if you want to check them out. So yeah, I'm really happy with this radio. I recommend it 100%. I hope this video helped you guys or maybe gave you an idea if you are thinking about upgrading your old radio. And as always, thanks for watching. Ciao guys.